Show you really quickly how to put one of these connectors on. This is a compression type connector, and so I like to make sure that it seats. There's your end. You want to make sure that you get all these flared out just a little bit. You may not have to do that, but I like to do it. Also, you want to make sure that you don't get any of the shield around your center core. Now when you put these on, if this is bent, and this one's slightly bent, but it's not bent bad enough to worry about. You can't straighten it out a little bit there, but you want to go straight on, and you'll feel it, and it just gives easy. If you feel any like hesitation or pressure, and then it give, you failed, and it's taken that your center and smashed it over, and you'll need to pull it off and check it and possibly get another connector. You just put this in here, and it's pretty secure. I'm putting a lot of pressure on that, and it's not coming off. But that's how you put those on. But the key thing about this is that you make sure that when you put it on, that you don't have any of that, the center wire, laying over and bending over. Then of course you won't have a connection, and it'll be bad. And that's what a lot of people have done with these, is they don't realize when they've done that, and then when they go hook it up, the cable doesn't work. And so just make sure that you feel that go right on, and after you do a couple of them, you'll know, and you'll feel that solid smoothness, that when you feel it just go right in. And when you look at that, there's I don't know if you can see that, but there's a pretty good size hole that you've got to hit there, so it's not all that hard. There you have it. That's for putting the Liberty Connectec connectors on, and that applies to other brands as well.